How do you ensure the best drivers are matched to your deliveries? Metrobi's driver rating feature helps you provide feedback and rate drivers to encourage improvement. You can also reward top performance, ensuring consistency and better delivery experience for your customers. It's a simple way to keep your delivery quality high. Hi, my name is João, and in this video, I'm gonna show you the driver rating feature of Metrobi. Let's check it out. Okay, whenever delivery is completed, this is going to pop up on your dashboard and you can decide how many stars you want to give to your driver. So if he did a good job, you might want to give them a 5 stars review. And also it's very, very important to leave a comment. This is where you can show that you really appreciate their work. And of course, incentivize them to keep doing it. If you don't want to share that review with them, that's fine. But it's really good to really let them know what they have been doing right so they can keep doing a great job for your company. On the other hand, if they didn't really do a good job, you can also give them a 1-star review, for example, and say what you want to be improved for the next time. So all you gotta do is just really leave a review here. You don't have to share the review with them, but our team is always reviewing this in real time and making sure that the right drivers are being matched with the right customers. Driver rating helps you provide feedback, reward excellence, and match the best drivers to your business. Want to have access to this and much more? Click the button below and create your free account today.